Y'all want to know one of my favorite things in the world? I got me a box in the mail. Specifically, box from Iceland. So what say we open this sucker up, see what's inside. Okay. He wrapped this thing up, didn't he? Oh, he wrote me a note. Look at that. This is for me, but this is great. He actually did include this, which is, I love getting, like, I'm sure he just sent this to keep the package fine, but there is a newspaper, and I love, I actually collect newspapers from other countries. Oh, you guys, y'all, look at that. Y'all know I'm a sucker for these. What do you think? That is slick. Look at that. This one's got all of the. Oh, he got me an Easter egg. I don't know if y'all know about the Icelandic Easter eggs. It's a whole thing. They're big. It's amazing. This one, oh God, this is so cool. Oh yeah. Oh, lakrisisa. Oh, he knows that I love. Oh my God, yes. Icelandic chocolate. If y'all are sleeping on this, so good. Harfiskur. I love it. Dried fish. I miss this so much. You cannot get this anywhere in the States. Oh, and the gummies, lakris. Love licorice so much. It is so good up there. I did not know what licorice was until I visited the Scandinavian country. Don't tell the rest of them, but Iceland does it better than anybody else. Oh my God, Jonas spoiling me. Holy hell. There is so much. God, Jonas. How is he doing this? Appelsine, I love this. So good. I'm saving this for a special occasion. Eglis malt extract, which I've actually never had this before. We're going to try this on camera. Bingo, lakrisur. Damn. Itset. I love Itset if you've never had that. It's amazing. Again, you cannot get this here in the States. It is fantastic. Sirius. Oh, wow, this is so good. Oh, dude, you are spoiling me, Yon. This is amazing. I need to know which one of these do I need to try first. I'm going to be trying all of them, but clearly not in one video. I'm going to get a stomach ache doing that. I got to savor this. Just the chocolate alone. Like, come on, man. If you want to see me talk about some of the dried fish, I'm going to try the beverages. Easter egg, of course. Easter just passed us by. I'm going to try that again. But really, just this alone, this is slick. It is like 90 degrees Fahrenheit outside. I think that's like 38 C. I still want to go out and wear this somewhere. I'm going to turn down my thermostat. My name is Coda LeBeau. If you didn't already know, which one of these do you want me to try first? Let me know. Hit all my buttons. Love each and every one of y'all. I'm going to see you soon.